Hello, my name is Anastasia Покрышкина. I'm 20 years old. I'm a third-year student of Perm National Research Polytechnic University. My specialty is management and marketing. I live in Russia. I want to become the participant of the volunteer program in Italy because I think that is a good opportunity for me. I can obtain new and useful information and improve my skills, such as ability to organize work, to plan, and to communicate with people. I want to meet new friends. What is more, I want to find out more about the Italian culture, learn more about Italian people, and improve my English. I think that I am a good candidate for this program because I like to organize different events. At the university, I took part in organizing various actions and conferences. These events have helped me to become responsible and disciplined. But on the other hand, I have some weaknesses. I'm too exacting to myself and to my work. Sometimes I'm not certain in myself because of that. One more negative quality is mistrust to people. Why can I be useful? I can teach people Russian language and tell more about the Russian culture. I think that the practice will be interesting for me and for Italian people. During the volunteer program, I will receive useful and new experience, and also I might give the experience to other people. Now I would like to tell how I find out about the ISEC organization. I was always interested in these sorts of programs. For example, last year I have visited University of Anhalt in Germany and also participated in the program of exchanging experience with German students. Then Germans have told me about Isaac, and now I am shooting a video about myself. Also, I hope that I will have chance to participate in this program. I am planning to participate in the project up to the end, but if my employer will be violate my rights, I will leave home. See you soon. I hope that we'll receive the best adventures ever.